Hi, everyone. This is Dane King, tax accountant with Stratking Accounting and Tax Professional Corporation in Richmond Hill, Ontario. I've been serving Canadians since 2011, and before founding my firm, I spent over 9 years helping Canadians with their financial and tax planning needs. These days, many Canadians are turning to self-employment or starting a business or corporation just to keep up with rising expenses. That's okay, but it's crucial to structure your business affairs properly to stay compliant with the Canadian Income Tax Act, which changes every year. It's important to work with a CPA and consult with a CPA to make sure you're doing things correctly, okay? And if you're ever looking for a CPA, you can look no further because here I am, Dane King, CPA, CMA, CGMA, and ACMA. Now, coming back to the task at hand, CCA, taking CCA or depreciation or amortization on your home that is used for business expenses, for business purposes, sorry, there can be significant tax implication of claiming the depreciation or CCA on your home. On paper, it might seem like a good way to reduce your taxable income and pretty simple, but in practice, it can lead to serious tax consequences down the road. Let me break it down a little. Firstly, if you're using your principal residence for your home for both living and business purposes, and you claim CCA, capital cost allowance, or depreciation on it, here is what you need to know. Firstly, the principal residence exemption, or PRE, may be reduced or denied at a later date. When you claim CCA on your home office, you're telling the Canadian Revenue Agency that part of your home is no longer for personal use. It's for business use. That means you could lose part of your personal residence exemption or PRE on that portion of the home. Secondly, if you later sell the home, you may owe capital gains tax on the business use portion for the years that you claimed CCA. Even worse, CRA may treat this as a partial disposition of your home, and that opens the door like a Pandora's box to more tax reporting and audit risk. And it's very expensive to hire a CPA to respond to an audit from the Canadian Revenue Agency, or in fact, to amend your personal T1 tax return or your T2 corporate income tax return. Point two, the recapture of CCA on the sale of your home. So you bought your home, you've been living in it, and you've been using it as a home office, and you started to claim CCA on the home from the beginning. If you sell your home after claiming CCA and the portion allocated to business use sells for more than the remaining undepreciated value, or UCC, then you'll be hit with a recapture of CCA. Boom. This recaptured amount is fully taxable as income, not capital gains. So you'll pay higher taxes on it. So what's the safer option? Instead of claiming CCA, you can deduct other home office expenses like utilities, maintenance, property taxes, mortgage interest, internet expenses, and insurance or property or home insurance. This way, you will get a tax deduction without risking your principal resident exemption or triggering recapture at a later date if you sold your home in the short run. If you're staying in your home for a long period of time, forever, maybe that's a good reason. But of course, you need to check me out if you need to get some specific advice. Tax is complicated and everyone's situation is different. If you'd like personal advice, you can give me a call, Dane King, Chartered Professional Accountant and Business Advisor with Stratking Accounting and Tax Professional Corporation at 1-888-865-3870. Again, I'll repeat, that's 1-888-865-3870. Or you can book an appointment very easily on the homepage of Stratking Accounting and Tax website at www.stratkingaccountingandtax.com. As a special offer for viewers of this video, I will be reducing my tax and financial planning rate from $350 to $150 plus sales tax for anyone viewing this video and gives me a call for further tax or financial planning advice. Now, if you like this video and you found it helpful on this YouTube channel, please click like, subscribe to Stratking Accounting and Tax Professional Corporation here on YouTube. Consider sharing this video with a friend, colleague, or family member who owns a business and uses their home for work. And share the joy, share the ideas. At Stratking Accounting and Tax Professional Corporation, we provide professionals, professional services firms, professional corporations, and professional association with ideas to get them ahead, including tax ideas. So let's share the knowledge. Let's share the joy of Stratking Accounting and Tax, your partner for professionals in Canada. Thanks for viewing this video. Have a nice day.